We're on a mission to transform your space into a minimalist haven that is 100% you. So let's just dive right in.
I mean, you know that feeling, right? When you look around and there are just clothes everywhere, books are piled up. It just doesn't feel like your special space anymore. It's kind of turned into more of a clutter zone than a comfort zone, you know?
But hey, don't even worry about it because we are totally gonna fix that. Together, we are gonna declutter, get super organized, and give your room a whole new vibe. We're talking a style that's calming, super cool, and, most importantly, a true reflection of your awesome personality. Okay, so when I say minimalism, please do not picture a boring, empty white box. That's not what this is about at all. Think of it more like a secret life hack. It's really just about being intentional, you know? Clearing out all the random noise and making sure that every single thing in your room is something you actually genuinely love. All right, so every masterpiece needs a blank canvas to start, and your room is totally our masterpiece today. So, first things first, let's talk about the walls. So, the #1 secret to getting that super spacious, dreamy vibe, it all starts with a neutral color palette. I'm talking soft whites, cozy creams, maybe even a really light, soft gray. Seriously, these colors are like magic. They instantly make your room feel bigger, so much brighter, and just way more peaceful. But hold on, neutral does not mean boring, not at all. This is where you get to have some fun. You've got two awesome ways to really let your personality shine. You can either go bold and add a pop with an accent wall, or you can get all creative and put together a super chic gallery wall. An accent wall is basically the main event of your room, you know? It's that one wall that just pops. You could try a really cool geometric wallpaper, maybe a dreamy floral print, or even just paint it a super trendy color like sage green. It just creates this amazing focal point right away. Okay, our canvas is prepped and looking good. Now it's time to add the next layer, the furniture. And this is where we get to be really smart and stylish. So be honest, is your floor space kinda disappearing? Yeah, trust me, it happens to all of us. But what if I told you there was a secret to getting all that precious space back?
The secret is multifunctional furniture. I'm talking about pieces that do double duty. They're not just there to look cute, they're like secret storage superheroes in disguise.
Okay, let's talk about a couple of absolute game changers. First up, a loft bed. This thing is a total space saver. It frees up all that floor space so you can create a little study nook or chill zone right underneath. And a storage ottoman. Oh, it's a triple threat. You get extra seating, and it secretly hides all your clutter inside. How amazing is that? And hey, while we're on the topic of nooks, you absolutely have to carve out a little corner that's just for you. You know, with a super comfy chair, or maybe just a pile of big floor cushions. Having that one dedicated spot to just read and relax is a total must. All right, we've got the walls and the furniture sorted. Now it's time for, honestly, the best part, making everything unbelievably comfy and cozy. We're talking all those soft textures that make you just want to curl up and never ever leave. So, how do we reach peak coziness? It's actually a super simple 3-step plan. First, we're gonna layer up your bedding. Then, we'll add a really soft area rug. And finally, we'll throw in just a little touch of faux fur for that extra luxe feel. Think of your bed as your own personal cloud. Seriously, you wanna start with a soft quilt and then just go crazy with the throw pillows. The real secret here is mixing up all the textures. Think fuzzy chenille, a nice waffle weave, maybe even a super soft faux fur blanket draped on top. Just mix and match until you've created a bed that's basically begging you to dive in. Okay, this is my absolute favorite part. We've built this amazing foundation, and now it's time for the fun stuff, adding all those little details that make the room completely and totally you. So your personal style is kind of like a recipe, right? It's a mix of different things. So just think about what you love. Maybe you're all about that cozy lighting vibe, or maybe you love having plants everywhere. Throw in a fun sign and some cute storage, and you've got your perfect mix. Lighting is everything. It can totally change the mood of a room. For a really magical, dreamy glow, you could drape some string lights around your bed. Or if you want to go for something a little more bold, a cool neon sign adds such a fun pop of color and personality. And you've got to bring in some greenery. Plants literally add life and color to your space, and they just feel so calming. And hey, you do not need to have a green thumb for this. Faux plants can look just as amazing. Even just a stylish little olive tree in the corner makes a huge difference. Okay, we are at the final step. We have all the pieces of our puzzle, and now it's time to put it all together with one last pro tip. And trust me, this is what makes the whole room just work. So the big secret is something called zoning. I know, it sounds kind of technical, but it's actually super simple. It's just about creating separate little areas for all the different things you do. That way, your brain automatically knows, okay, this is where I sleep, this is where I study. It makes your room feel so much more organized. And here's how easy it is. You have your sleep zone. That's just your bed and nightstand, nice and calm for resting. Then you've got your study zone with your desk and everything you need to get work done. And finally, you have your relax zone. That's that cozy little corner we made, just for chilling out. See? Simple. And that's it. That's the complete recipe. From the walls to the furniture, all the way to those final personal touches. You now officially have everything you need to create a room that is calm, super stylish, and 100% you. So I've got one last question for you. What's the very first thing you're gonna change? Are you gonna go paint that accent wall this weekend? Or maybe start hunting for the perfect cozy pillows? Whatever it is, get excited because your dream sanctuary is officially waiting for you.